I thought I wanted to go to a city university, but I've actually been really happy in a smaller place, so the seaside town was very nice.
The main reason was that I've received a scholarship and the unconditional offer from the uni, but I think I also wouldn't be here in the first place if my friends didn't recommend the Aber and the town to me.
Well, I came for an open day with one of my best friends from college. We went straight into the town and then we went straight to the beach. Everyone was just so friendly and so open and so knowledgeable with the questions that I had. It just stuck in my mind.
I always really liked the concept of studying marketing. I think it's a very interesting and creative subject.
So our first year is just to get everyone up to the same standard. So we do a lot of financial accounting, management accounting. Those are taken through the 3 years.
You do different things like management, business environment, marketing, auditing, tax, corporate governance, corporate finance.
So I do 2/3 of the economics course and 1/3 of the business management. So generally, because I do a major minor, I try to structure it so for each 3 years, every semester I do 2 economics modules and 1 business.
I really like the fact that apart from the theory, we have loads of practical sessions. So for example, we are preparing professional campaigns or video presentations.
If I focus mainly on the department for the second, you can go to your personal tutors, you can go directly to your lecturers as well if you want.
They always say, you know, a question not asked is the stupid question. So if you ask a question you think it's stupid, it's not.
All the extra readings you have to do and all the essays you do is all pushing you in the right direction. So when you leave university, if you go straight into a job, if you go into an internship, if you go into a master's, you get into all these necessary skills, theories and knowledges that you can utilise and use and take forward to become a valuable graduate in the world, really.